everyone, welcome to Royal Constructions and Interior Decor. Today, we will discover unique modern kitchen design ideas. Make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe to channel. Please watch the video till end. Today's kitchens are far removed from those of our mothers and grandmothers. They may have had some diverse elements and certainly had a more rustic feel. Warm wood was the texture seemingly everywhere, from the floor to the cabinets and even the table. The devil is in the detail with both past and present, but the meaning is vastly different. Now, these trends have given way to sleek lines and clutter-free design. Cabinets are no longer the ornate and etched beauties they once were, they are now seamless and smooth, yet functional. White is an excellent choice for modern style. However, you are not restricted as there are almost limitless choices for cabinet colors now. Hardware is largely unnecessary in these kitchens and actually fights the clean and unpretentious design. Often the cabinets are pull-out like the drawers for added convenience, and if there is hardware, it is likely industrial in feel. Wood and brick of the kitchens of yore have been replaced by stainless steel. It is new and shiny in appearance, and not limited to the appliances. People today often opt for stainless steel in surprising elements, including the countertops, which add to the sought-after industrial feel of the space. Other choices for modern style counters are concrete, marble, quartz and unpolished granite. Another buzzword for kitchens today is modular, something unheard of in past decades when speaking of kitchens. Open floor plans are all the rage, as are massive islands to provide a gathering space. These modern kitchen design ideas will introduce you to the modern marvels and offer a broad range of options for your own kitchen design ideas. If you enjoyed these beautiful modern kitchen design ideas, make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe to Royal Constructions and Interior Decor. Have a joyful day ahead. Thank you. Enjoy the video.